Hey guys, my name is Hustle. In today's video, I want to show you how to add those cool visual lightning effects to your videos to make them look like Netflix documentaries in Adobe Premiere Pro. Sound interesting? Let's begin by bringing the video into the timeline. Once done, let's already duplicate the video clip by pressing and holding Alt button and clicking on the video clip and moving it to the track above. That will do duplicating the video clip. Once done, let's play and watch the video together. Well, this is the first point where I'd like to add the effect to. So let's extend the length of the video clips and create a cut by selecting both the clips by pressing Ctrl A and Ctrl K to create the cut. Move the playhead few frames forward by pressing the forward arrow just right about where the crowbar sits in the hand, and then create another cut to complete it by pressing Ctrl A to select both the clips and then Ctrl K to complete the cut. Once done, select the top video clip, bring the playhead back, go to the effects and search for extract. Drag and drop the effect onto the top video clip, go to the effects control panel, click on extract and adjust the black input level and the white input level to the point where you just see these fine thin lines. And also please note that the setting on every other video clip might be different too, because it's got different contrast and all of those details. Well, once you have achieved these fine thin lines, go back to opacity and change the blend mode to screen. Once done, go to the effects and search for another effect called VR Glow. Drag and drop it onto the top video clip again. Go to the effects control, count down, click on the VR Glow and change the glow radius to 300 and the glow brightness to 10. Well, let's play and watch the video together. This is actually fairly quick. You can always extend it or shorten it by using the rolling edit. So let's say well, that's nice. You can create the same kind of clips every time the crowbar bangs onto the other hand. And let me show you how. Ctrl A for selecting both the clips, create the cut, move the playhead a couple of frames forward, press Ctrl A again to select both the clips and Ctrl K to create the cut. Now all you need to do is just go to the first one, right click on the video clip, copy, and then just click on the second cut video clip on the second video track and just paste it over there. As you can now see, there's two cut segments which have this effect. Let's play and watch it together. First one and the second one. This looks amazing. You can keep on repeating this step as long as you feel like. Well, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.